If you sell personalized print-on-demand products through Etsy, then this might be the most exciting update you've seen. Printify just dropped tons of new features when it comes to personalization so that your customer is able to upload photos, add multiple different customized text, and see the preview of what their product is going to look like in real time. So this means you are going to save so much time when it comes to personalization because you no longer have to keep reaching out to the customer to get their photos. You no longer have to be sending them previews to approve before you send it. You don't have to upload the design manually to Printify. Everything is automated. For years, personalization has been growing on Etsy. More and more people go to Etsy to be able to order personalized products, personalized gifts, and those who were able to offer personalization were able to charge more and stick out from the competition. Yet so many people shied away from offering personalization because it kind of got rid of the whole idea of print on demand to begin with, to be able to sell passively. With regular print on demand, when you don't offer personalization, when you get an order, it goes straight to print, so you never have to do anything. But personalization disrupted that flow until now. But first, let me prove to you just how important personalization is. If you just take a look at Sweatshirt and bring up all the bestsellers here, you can use an extension like FREEBIES, which you can get in my description below. They have a current Black Friday sign up, so you can get on their list early for their big sale that's coming up next week. But using your FREEBIES extension, I can go to product analytics, I can sort by monthly sales, and I can see that almost all of the orders or all of the listings that are the top sellers are custom team name, personalized sweatshirt, custom embossed, custom puff. We have personalized wedding. We have this custom puff print, custom. All of the top sellers have some level or some element that is able to be customized. So let me show you how you can stick out with personalization without it costing you any extra time. What you're going to do now is go on to Printify. You're going to find the product that you want to add this personalization to, and you are just going to go to your edit or start designing. Then what you're able to do is go into personalize, and now this is brand new to Printify. You can add a personalizable image. You can also add in personalizable text here. So this image here is just a placeholder. This is what's going to show people to start as an example, but they're going to be replacing this image with their photo. Then we're going to go to personalized text, and you are going to put in a text, an example. So let's do the Millers, and then let's put this down here. You can also change the font, and what's also brand new is you can also upload a font. So you can go on to Creative Fabrica, find a font that you would like, and then you're able to upload it to Printify to use. And you're also able to add multiple different layers of text. Before, you could only add one text option, and now you can have both. What I do recommend is when you have these is just going through and renaming these so you don't get confused. So this one I believe is my year. Yes. And then this one I'm going to rename family name. And what you can also do with image, we don't need it for this one, but not only is it a personalizable image, you can, for example, if you're doing an all over print item like a blanket, or if you are doing PJs, you can make this a pattern as well so that this repeats, but we don't need that for this one. So I'm just going to turn that one off, and we're just going to keep it like this. And I'm going to go to save product. And then we're going to scroll down to personalization, which looks different now than if you previously used personalization on Printify. This looks brand new. So we have instructions for personalization, and you're going to see, please add the year, please add the family name. That's why it was important to name our layers here. And then please add the image. So you can go ahead and just change this up so it's a little bit more clear to your customers. And then the one thing you're not going to change is this brand new buyer instructions on Etsy. And what it says is copy the link below to a new tab to personalize your product and preview the design. After finishing, copy your code and paste it below to complete your order. And I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like. Once you hit publish, from Printify to Etsy, your product is going to come up like this. Of course, you're going to go in and add your photos. You're going to add all your SEO, your titles, your tags, anything to make this a sellable listing. But the part that's brand new is this personalization. This says, what we mentioned earlier, copy the link below. So I'm going to copy this and we're going to open this in a brand new tab. And then your customer will be brought to a page that looks like this. And what they're going to do is, one, if you have multiple different variations, those are going to show up here. For this example, I only had the round ornament selected, but if we had done heart, we're going to see heart here. So all the variations that you can regularly get in Printify will show up here. And then we're going to go to continue, and then they can go ahead and change all this information. We're going to put in 2026 for the year, for example, and you can see it live update on the ornament. Let's change out the image here. It usually takes a few seconds, so let's just give this a moment. I'm going to delete this old one. We can see now that this first image that we just uploaded, so this is going to be your customer's photo, is automatically brought in onto the mockup. And I'm just going to delete the lower layer just in case. And maybe these people are the Macs and they are not the Millers anymore. And again, we can see in real time this update. So we don't have to send our customer this mockup anymore, because as they add in the personalization, they are going to see the mockup so they can correct any errors. And then what they're going to do is hit continue, just going to double check everything. Then they're going to go to save design, and it has the information here. But for your customers, what you're going to do is hit copy code. And again, this isn't you doing it, this is your customer doing this. And in the place of personalization, instead of having all of their information, they're just going to copy the personalization code. And now Printify is going to use that personalization code to link it to that design. So automatically when your order shows up in Printify, it should have that order that is already personalized. I highly recommend for your first few, triple checking, making sure this looks like what your customer did. This is brand new to Printify. Bugs can always happen when a product or a feature is just launched. So just make sure you are double checking these. But if there's any kinks, and once they're fully worked out, this is an absolute game changer to the Etsy personalized product category. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, if you are as excited about it as I am, and if it helped you today, if you could please drop a like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.